Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is one video we have been all waiting for all, right? So guys, now we are going to see how to install Google Photos on PC. How to do so? Well, just like, share, subscribe. Also, by the way, on Windows 10 Home 20H2 we are going to see our this thing, how we are going to install.
Hello guys, now I'm going to see Windows. Please ignore all these raining afternoon everything. Please ignore these all if you don't mind. So when you go to photos.google.com, I've opened some site from album. So if you click on this, you get it over here. So that's it guys. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.